how to interact with the Databricks file system. In Sparkflows, I have a connection to Databricks configured. Now under data, I have DBFS. DBFS shows the different files on the DBFS file system. I can also go ahead and go inside the directory to see what's there, or I can go up. I can go to the home directory. Let me search for a samples folder. And here I have the samples folder on DBFS containing a bunch of files. Now I want to download one of the files, say cars_detail.csv. I click on the download link and I have it now downloaded onto my machine. So if you see, I have cars_detail.csv downloaded to my machine. Now suppose I want to upload this file cars.csv onto DBFS. So I do upload, browse, and I select cars.csv and I upload it. So now cars.csv has been uploaded to DBFS and I can start using it. Now in terms of creating a folder, suppose I want to create a folder called cars. So the folder got created successfully, and here is the cars folder, and which is empty to begin with. So in this video, we went over the various ways of interacting with the Databricks file system, uploading files, downloading files, creating folders. You can also delete files onto the DBFS file system. Thank you.